This project is automatic garbage collection using GSM and GPS. Here other connections are Arduino, its starter board along with the power supply, 16x2 LCD, GSM and GPS are connected to Arduino through UART. Ultrasonic sensor and buzzers connected to Arduino digital pins. Now power on this. GSM initializing. On LCD it is asking send a message to store mobile number. Now we have to send star mobile number in SMS to this GSM modem. Mobile number registered. GPS module and its antenna. Antenna always faces to sky. We have to keep GPS module in open environment with open sky. GPS took long time to get accurate values in indoor. So keep it in open environment. Here we have open environment. Sometimes GPS will take few minutes to get latitude and longitude. Here ultrasonic sensor installed top of the garbage bin like shown here. When garbage filled, ultrasonic sensor distance will decrease. Garbage filled. S means SMS sending. When ultrasonic distance less than 5, that means garbage filled with waste. Then SMS will send to request mobile number. SMS contains location of bin. By sending request SMS star as hash, we will get the garbage bin status with the location.